guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby, and today is a release day. We have a brand new stamp set to share with you. So this is called Pup in a Cup, and I am the illustrator behind the stamp set, and I'm super excited. This is my first stamp set with my drawing. I work with some great illustrators for our Not Too Shabby stamp line, but this is the first one that I've illustrated, so I'm super excited and it's super special. And I can't wait to see what you do with this stamp set. I can't wait to see your cards. So we've got this little cute pup in a cup, and you can color him up to be different breeds. We've got a pug, so I drew him up to be a pug. So I've got some really cute sentiments to go with this, and I added a ton of sentiments in here. They're buildable, so you can make different cards with this stamp set. Now he's the star of the show, but we've got some little elements in here to help decorate and bring this guy to life. We've got a little circle and a half circle to make polka dots on your cup. We've got this cute bow, and it looks absolutely adorable on this little pup. Turn him into a little girl. Then we've got this really cute heart that you can stamp here or on the cup. And then the little heart you can stamp all over the cup or use it in the sentiment. I love coffee and dogs. So let me share some of the cards, and then I'm going to share the sentiments with you. So here's one, and I'm going to have videos on all these cards on how I colored them up and put them together. So this one I stamped Sending You and then Pugs and Kisses. Now a lot of the sentiments fit in the sleeve or on the cup, so that's really fun. And it's really simple how I did the card. I just added a little frame, put a little shadow down to ground my image, some sequins, and the pup in a cup is the star of the show here. Now, who wouldn't want to receive a cute card with a pup in a cup? You're just gonna make someone smile, and that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to create a stamp set that somebody would just smile when they saw their card. So on this one, I used the bow, and I did the little hearts all scattered around the cup. I think that looks super cute. And then I added a little heart here on the sleeve. So this one I colored up as a black pug. And did you see my my banners for the new release? That was digitally colored by Jenny from Cutie Patootie Crafts. So she did that for me, and it came out so good. I am so happy with it. So thank you, Jenny. So here's another one. This one I used a wonky stitch and matted it with a little pink piece of pink paper there. And then this sentiment says, a pugacino a day keeps the grumpy away. I think that sentiment is so cute. This one has polka dots on the cup and a little heart in the middle with glitter. I colored him up to be a brown and black pug. He's got the little bow on his head there. Super, super cute. On this one I did some masking to put the bow on, and this one I just fussy cut the bow out and glued it right on there. The next card I made for the Coffee Lovers blog hop, so that's coming up May 22nd through the 29th. I hope you guys, if you do pick up the stamp set, use it to make a card and enter it into the Coffee Lovers blog hop. That would be awesome if I saw a bunch of people using my stamp set. That would make my day. So this one I colored up as a boxer, and I added that cute little bow, and I popped them up with foam tape. And this one I said, hang in there. I think that sentiment is perfect for the times that we're going through right now. Hang in there, and this cute little dog is just hanging on to that latte cup. And I got to use some flowers, so that was fun. I grabbed these out of my stash. Those are petaloo flowers. And I used the little hearts as embellishments. So I wanted like a black and white theme with a pop of red. And then this card here, isn't this super cute? So you make a slimline card and stamp out 4 puppies, color them all different. All I did was chop the bottom off And then I have my sentiment here, smile, it's a pup in a cup. And I think that's super, super fun. So let's get to the sentiments over here. So we've got Pugs and Coffee, and they're separate stamps, so you can stack them up to fit inside the sleeve. We've got Smile, we've got Puppy Latte, Pugacino, we've got capital A and the small a, we've got Sending You, we've got a question mark and an exclamation point, the letter I, the Pugs and Kisses, we've got It's a, we've got Happy Birthday, hang in there, hi, pup in a cup for someone sweet, hello, coffee and dogs, a day keeps the grumpy away, and you warm my heart. So we could put on puppy latte, a day keeps the grumpy away. And then you've got the letter A, so you could put in front of that, a puppy latte, a day. And then we could put a pugacino, a day keeps the grumpy away. Or you could do sending you a pugacino, or sending you a puppy latte. Sending you pugs and kisses. You warm my heart. This one's great for when we get the cooler weather, fall and winter. We've got I heart coffee and dogs. We've got for someone sweet, smile. And then it's a pup in a cup. And I know there's something in there that I'm not thinking of. So isn't this stamp set super fun? I hope you guys enjoy the stamp set and have a lot of fun playing with it. And if you do make a project with the stamp set, please hashtag me #NotTooShabbyShop. I'd love to see your card. So you can use my coupon code Jamie for 10% off your order, and US orders over $35 ship for free. So thanks guys for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. Thanks for shopping and supporting my business. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye guys.